Hi everyone, this is Jay Harris coming to you from Tom's Trading Room, and in this video presentation I'm going to go over how to customize a scan, or what we call in the tools wizards. A student emailed in a short bit ago asking if they can create a scan that searches for all options that are trading at least a minimum of 1,000 contracts per day and have a spread of about 1%. And here is how you go about that process. Now, when I show you how to do this specific process, just note that if there are any other criteria changes that you want to make besides the ones shown here, this is the process in which to do that. First off, hover over the website tab, hover over the lists line item, and then left click on filter list. The page will refresh to you under the filter slippage page. And what you see here on the right hand side is wizards, and it may have one already selected. Let's go ahead and left click in the radio button for none. Let's leave the radio button selected for all. Now you see my wizard criteria over here to the left. You may not when you first get into this page. It's because it is hidden. So what you see under the wizard criteria here is the green hyperlinks. You can leave it hidden, or you can left click on show and bring that wizard criteria over here on the left hand side back. Now we're going to click on the radio button for on for open interest, leave it as it is. The total option volume we're going to click on, and let's just make those consistent. So let's leave the same number in both. Down below, let's go ahead and click on the option bid-ask spread average from off to on, and they wanted 1%. So let's change it from 2 to 1%, and we are set to go. Now what we did not do is create a name for this new wizard. So you see the new name over here, and it says default wizard right now. Left click on that, and I'm just going to choose sample. You can name it 1% greater than 1,000 per day if you like. And then once you have the name that you want, go ahead and left click the green save button. When the green save button is clicked, it will refresh the page. It will leave everything as you selected over here. Both open interest and volume is on, and it has the number consistent there, and we have the bid-ask spread average on, looking for 1% maximum, nothing more than a 1% spread in the option premium. Now you go down to the search stocks list, and you can do it on a specific stock or a list. I'm going to change it to all optionable stocks and indices, and when I do that, I'm going to click on search. Now this is going to take about a minute and a half or so, maybe less. The reason it's going to take a little bit longer than if you were to select like the Dow 30 list is because it's searching all optional stocks and indices, and it's searching the options on all of those. Now again, under the save wizards here to the right, you'll see the default wizard name, and then you'll see the name that you gave it. Then you'll just go ahead and do that each time you create a new scan or new wizard. And again, the word wizard is synonymous with scan in Tom's Tools. So now we're done with the search. The page is refreshed. Let's pop on down, and you will notice the list results, starting with the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY, the DIA, the IWM, and so on. And the highlighted column here is the way it's being sorted right now. And it's being sorted by the bid-ask spread, and it's looking for 1% or less. So none of these will show anything greater than a 1.00, and is showing the tightest or lowest percentage to the highest in descending order or ascending order. But again, we want the lowest or tightest spread possible. We got that, and there's our open interest and option volume. So easily these are over 1,000 contracts per day. But that's how you customize that particular scan or wizard. And you will do that and use these criteria line items over here to the left when you build any and all other future custom scans. See you on future videos, folks. Thanks for your time.